Some people are out there looking to buy a home. Some are out there looking to buy the next jacket or clothing or some sort of a tech gear, or trying to get their car repaired. All of us are making purchase decisions left and right. But oftentimes I feel like we as marketers don't necessarily think about the buyer's journey when we're doing sales and marketing efforts. We're too consumed by our desire to make them buy that we don't necessarily think about the buyer's journey and what the buyer actually goes through, what goes through their psyche, what goes through their mind when they're thinking about making a purchase. And oftentimes, in my opinion, a buyer's journey doesn't ever stop with the purchase. It starts way before they make the purchase decision, and it continues on even after they've made that purchase, because that experience they have from consuming that product or whatever that they purchased still continues, and that experience really goes a long way in terms of their satisfaction and how they perceive that particular brand and whether or not they actually refer that product or company to their friends and family. So Serious Decision done a research. They said 67% of the buyer's journey was complete before buyer ever reaches out to a sales rep. That's primarily was based on the B2B sector, but I believe that's still true even in the consumer space as well. So if 67% of the buyer's journey is complete before the buyer ever reaches out to a sales rep, what are we as marketers doing before that 67% of the buyer's journey even ever happens, right? So what are we doing to provide information to help our buyers make educated decisions about their choices, about the products that they want to buy or the solutions they want to implement within their organization? What are we as marketers doing to help them make that decision? What kind of buying criteria are we setting them, right? Setting up for them? And are we providing enough information on our websites, through our social platforms, and in the content that we're creating? Is it helpful for them, right? So I believe buyer's journey is something we as marketers have to think about. So that's something that I wanted to share with you today as marketers and as sales reps as well. If you're going about your day and thinking about, hey, how can I hit my quota or how can I generate more leads? Make sure that you're aligning your strategy that is in line with the buyer's journey, and make sure that you're doing everything you can to help the buyers make the right decision the most efficient way possible.